Hello and welcome. I'm Scott Dennis. Thanks so much for joining us. Topping our news today at noon. It's the fifth day in court for triple murder suspect Andres Andy Avalos. Attorneys presenting their closing arguments before the jury breaks to deliberate on a final verdict. ABC 7's Adam Cellini joins us live from the trial outside the Manatee County Judicial Center with more on what's happened so far today. Adam?
Yeah, Scott, we've heard from eyewitnesses, we've heard from doctors and family members throughout this week, all trying to prove the defense's claim that Andy Avalos was suffering from a psychological disorder when he brutally murdered his wife, neighbor, and a pastor back in 2014. But the state attorney's office is not buying this insanity defense. Instead, they're saying that it was substance abuse that drove Andy Avalos to those murders, along with jealousy. And the diagnosis he received from the defense's psychologist, delusional disorder, is not the case. The state attorney's office has promised to seek the death penalty in this case, and they did not hold back during their closing argument this morning.
I must submit to you that we have established by overwhelming evidence that this man murdered Amber Avalos, Ace Potter, and James Tripp Battle with a cold brutality came not from a delusion, but born out of a jealousy fueled by months of drug and alcohol abuse.
Now, when Andrew Crawford, Avalos' attorney, had his opportunity to present statements, he pleaded that this jury see all sides of the evidence that was presented this week, not just the prosecution's.
I'd ask you to turn that page to look at it from our perspective as well as the state's perspective. Ladies and gentlemen, this is insanity born by delusion.
Now, the case is now in the hands of the jury, so we are waiting for them to reach their final verdict. We'll be updating you throughout the day on our social media pages and our website, mysuncoast.com. For now, live in downtown Bradenton, I'm Adam Cellini. Scott, back to you.